So guys, you know we talked with Innocent Connect what was it? Oh my gosh, like 2 days ago. We have had such a wonderful time. I forgot what day it was. But today is the grand finale, and we get to talk to the director, the filmographer, videographer, cinematographer, and the individual that edited the drum. Preston, like, first of all, well, but
thank you.
What in the heck? You did everything.
I did. We were a very low budget crew, and we tried to get everything all in one. So I basically took on multiple jobs.
But it's all good, and you weren't low budget.
Exactly.
You were not low budget.
We were almost no
because
budget,
you were high quality.
Right.
You know something? I think that, and guys, I want you to understand something, because you know this is it's consulting time, and we always bring you joy, jewels, and justice. And so the jewel I want to drop is this. Sometimes I think we put these names on our films when realistically your budget was very high and it was very quality because you had a wealth of knowledge and experience in the cultivation of this film. So it was a high budget film. But anyways, all right. So, since you were filming and you're able to edit, did you find yourself doing more or less takes?
I found myself doing less takes, honestly, because like I knew what I was shooting and I knew I had the vision in my head.
Okay.
And for me, my technique is always shoot to edit. So I always tried to make sure that I have the clear visual cut of the film already playing in my head.
Shoot to edit. Okay.
And one of the biggest things we had was actually so many long takes. And long takes were without cuts.
Okay.
So we had, I think, about 3 of them in total.
So when you say long, how many minutes are we looking at?
The first about 6 minutes of the film was a long take. And that was basically just coming closer to the bar and having people just exit. I believe we actually did like 10 practice takes.
That speaks to your direction, and it speaks to the writer's ability to get it lined up and synchronized.
Right.
Ain't nothing low budget going on over here, baby. So, what's next for you?
Hopefully more projects.
Yes,
Micah, he's a great he's a great writer, and I'm hoping for more because I've already done so much with him. I'm just like, yes, let's do more.
Let's keep doing it. So, guys, what we need to do, invest in your local creatives. Invest in your independent creatives. They are really out here producing stuff you're not going to get in the theaters, because a lot of the stuff you're getting in the theaters, it's just so far left or far right. Get something that's down home and real. Get something that can give you some substance or even take you away from all the foolery that we're getting. Preston, we appreciate you. Let people know how they can connect with you for your editing and your cinematography.
Absolutely. So my company name is Mystic Rhythm Media. We are responsible for doing wedding videography, wedding filmmaking, because we do make full wedding films.
Wow.
As well as doing any projects that anyone has in mind. So we're ready to with a full sound crew, video crew, everything.
Preston is a full service experience curation guru. See, this is what I call a guru. He really got it going on. Guys, it's your girl Lily Mae. I have thoroughly enjoyed meeting all of the creatives here. Preston, you have warmed my heart.
Absolutely.
You are multifaceted and amazing. And so, guys, salute. We'll be back in a few.